I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare to anyone who might care.
away, give it away, give it away now. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Just give it away. Yeah, here we go now. Tell me what you really wanna do. Come here, ma. Talk to me. You look like you can really give it to us. Don't know way you're talking, the way you try to walk for me, the way you really try to put it on the guard. Doing it like I never did before for me, the way you break your back and I break your neck, and the way you try to put it on the floor for me. Come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah, tell me what my sister's at. Okay, let me bless y'all this one time when I lock it down and I hit you with that. That bomb shit. Y'all just know all day we be making it drop. Y'all just know every time we come through this motherfucker, we be always taking a rock. So let me do this. Y'all know when we come, we be making it flop, the way we making it hot, and making it wanna stop. Get money and cash that check for me. All my people just bust your check for me. Everybody from every hood, bang your head till you break your motherfucking neck for me.
Just let me give you real sweet to ride in your when we clap your seat. We want this heat keep bouncing up and down these streets.
So nod your head and break your neck. Come on, break your neck. Come on, break your neck. Come on, bang your head until you start to break your neck. Come on, break your neck. Come on, break your neck. Come on, break your neck. Come along now, let's put it down. When I bounce back and you know I done caught my breath. Y'all just all know how we do when the way we bang this in the head and we do it to death. Reach for them back, wood in the fire, boy. You know we're making an ounce. I know you love the way we be giving you the music, making you bounce. If stop just a little for my sister every time we come through, and this know that we did it for y'all. And the way we do it for the people that know that we always give it to y'all. I said bounce, come on. In the daytime or the night when you creeping along and just bang this in the truck while you break your nigga motherfucker. Try to fake on my flow. See the way we come right through. When we come right through, we be always blowing the spot again and again to make it really wanna stop. Better tell your crew, your peeps, someone just better put their troops on and gather up your soldiers. You know you better keep your boots on. All my people in the place, hey, yo, wave your hands high now. And the way we put it down, make us wonder what he really gonna try now. What you really wanna do? Just place your bet and put your money where your mouth is. On my in the street, just break your neck and keep on bouncing. Here we go now, and you know every time bust a must be holding the fort, my spot, y'all be shutting it down. The way we put it on, coming through like a steamroller. Me and Drake ain't no effing around. Come on, yeah, what up? Me and my team got a link, cause you know we stay chopping it up. And when we get up in the club, all my people to the bar, now we locking it up. And we get a little high, and we get a little drunk, and we get a little drunk. Let me get y'all some shit that make you wanna bang this out your trunk. Come on, get money and cash that check for me. All my sisters bust your check for me. Everybody from every hood, bang your head till you break your motherfucking neck for me.
Just let me give you real sweet to ride in your when we clap your seat. We want this heat keep bouncing up and down these streets.
So nod your head and break your neck. Come on, break your neck. Come on, break your neck. Come on, bang your head until you start to break your neck. Come on, break your neck. Come on, break your neck. Come on, break your neck.
Moviendo los kilos voceo, yo me estoy buscando la funda. Tiro pa'lante, no me dejo, meto mano, no te confundas. Me ven en la rato montado con los de Valladolid y se asustan. Los peines son negros, las jacas son blancas y los pandas con ellas te buscan.
Muevo la nieve a los pandas, llegó el que la calle comanda. Yo tengo un buffet de abogados, cabrones tiré las demandas. Salgo, Sophie, tiro para atrás como Matrix. La gente me para en todos lados y me dice que tengo más movies que Netflix. Mi cuenta de banco está heavy, tengo más toque que un Shelby. Se sueltan el pelo las tres y me llegan al cuarto como un Russell. Yo vivo en Las Vegas, los Elvis. Oigan, baby, no tienen que ir para la NASA, las estrellas están en el techo del Bentley. Dancen y rompan fila, por ahí viene el Caterpillar, el Godzilla, caneta en pila, millones como un rockilla.
Les duele que ustedes no gastan todo lo que gastamos. Les duele que ustedes no pueden andar en los carros que andamos.
Panda, panda, los palos para dar la parranda. Las tetas y el culo se agrandan con un cirujano que tengo en Holanda. Consumo más hierba que un panda, dando pelaflow con fu panda. Montado en el Lambo de Farru tirando los cambios en botones estándar. Negro y blanco como panda, José y me busco la tanda. Las cubanas parecen bufanda, todas las putas les gusta el que manda. Pepa, marihuana, yo vivo cabrón como un panda. Suéltame en banda mi hermano antes que te mande a buscar con los pandas.
Peace up, A-Town.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Hush, 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 hush. Let's go. Let's go.
In the club with my homies, tryna get a little VI. Keep it down on the low key. She know how it feels. I saw the shorty, she was checking up on me. From the game, she was spitting in my ear. You would think that she knew me. Decided to cheat. Conversation got heavy. She had me feeling like she's ready to blow.
Watch out.
She's saying, come get me. So I got up and followed her to the floor. She said, baby, let's go. When I told her, I said, Shorty got down. She said, come and get me. I got so caught up that she told me. Her and my girl used to be the best around me. Next thing I knew, she was all up on me screaming. She's all up in my head now. Got me thinking that it might be a good idea to take her with me. She's ready to leave.
Well, let's go.
And I gotta keep it real now. 'Cause on the 1 to 10, she's a certified 20.